Assalamu alaikum friends. Now after a very long time I am continuing my project. That is, we were stuck in one of the error in before episode. Just check it. What was the error? Just write down the username Amir and password 123. Just click on login. Now this was the error. Now this is the error. The database login. For that purpose, just go back to the code. Click on the view. Click on the fill option. Go to definition and check what was the error. Now for that purpose, just change the line. Just now run it. Now click sell bill. Now yes, it is working. Yes, it is working. Just print option, yeah, and export option. Yes, it is also working. Now there is another error which will occur whenever the student try to download my project. That is the path of the reports. To avoid it from this path, just do one thing. We can only provide a simple and useful trick. That is just click on the account project, click on the show all files. Now you can see the bin folder will appear. Actually it will already appear in my project, so just you will see the bin folder will appear, and under bin folder there is a debug folder. And just check it whether you have selected the debug mode, the project folder debug. Just select the debug and just move the report, all the report crystal folder to debug. Now all the reports are present. Now just do one thing. Whatever this data path, just remove all the, just until the crystal report dot cell bill. We want only this much. It will do one thing, is that there is no need to give whole path from G drive, C drive or E drive. Now let's check whether it will work or not. Yes, it is working. Now the main important is that you can move your project wherever you want to, in C drive, D drive or E drive, and you don't have to need to change every time the path. Let's check the other reports. It is sale bill, sale report, now stock report, expense, barcode, purchase bill. Yeah, in purchase bill, let's go to the print bill. Now here, so there is no need to write so much of the path. Just remove this and this. Yes, and there is a underscore symbol. No, just click. Sorry, want a purchase bill.